Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be looking at how do we draw an ellipse given the major axis and minor axis. In the previous video, we looked at the construction of an isometric drawing. So we'll be moving on with today's lesson whereby we'll be constructing the ellipse. The first thing we're going to draw is a center line for the ellipse, okay? All right, so we drew the center lines. Where the center lines intersect, that will be the center for the circle. We're going to draw two circles, one equal to the major axis. Okay, we're drawing an ellipse where the major axis is 200 millimeters and the minor axis is 150 millimeters. So what we're going to do, we're going to draw two circles, one for the major axis and one for the minor axis. So here's the first circle. We're gonna draw the second circle for the minor axis. So the radius, we're gonna enter the radius. Okay, now, all right, so here we have our two circles. As I said, the larger one represents the major axis, the smaller one represents the minor axis, and the centers are where the two center lines intersect, all right? So the next thing that we're gonna do, we're going to divide the circle into 12 equal parts. So we're going to go line, enter. Okay, here we have our circle and we have divided up the circle into 12 equal parts. The next step is to draw vertical lines from where the 12 lines intersect the circle that was drawn for the major axis. So we're going to go line, enter, line. Oh, that one wasn't done properly. So go line, enter, and I draw lines from where these divisions intersect the circle with the major axis diameter. So we're gonna we draw a vertical line going up, we draw a vertical line going up, we draw a vertical line going up, this one, we draw a vertical line going up, draw a vertical line going up. Good. Enter. Now, where this the line cuts these 12 lines cuts the circle drawn with the measurement for the minor axis, you're gonna draw horizontal lines from this intersection to intersect the lines that you drew perpendicular to the points. Right? So let's go now. So there, 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 enter, there, line, enter, 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 enter. All right. So that would be the preliminary step before we actually draw the ellipse. All right. So we divided up the circle where those lines intersect the minor axis and the major axis. At the minor axis, where the line intersect the minor axis, we draw a horizontal line. Where the line intersect, divisional line intersected the major axis, we drop a perpendicular. Where the intersect, that would be the point on the ellipse at that particular location. So let's go now. We're gonna plot the actual ellipse. There, 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 there. All right. So here is our ellipse. So in today's video, we looked at how you construct an ellipse given the major axis and the minor axis. So thanks for watching. Good job if you were able to complete the drawing. And let me know your thoughts about the video. In the next video, we'll be doing enlargement. We'll be given a polygon and we're going to enlarge a polygon based on a given ratio. So see you in the next video. Bye.